Hello there. Right, I'm just going to do a recording of some of the games up and running. As you can see, that it's running in MAME 0.196 at the moment. And if I go to search for, let's see, Super Hang On. I've got Super Hang On there. Sit down, blah blah. Super Hang On's up and running. Number 5. Ooh, I felt on the seat. Credits to push the start button. We're not getting any movement on the wheel at the moment. That's working. There you go with Super Hang On. Escape that. And see if we can get another one. Cisco Heat. CISCO. Cisco Heat, there it is, the top one. Now, a lot of these settings that I'm struggling with here at the moment is all to do with Retro FE and Coinox. MAME's the main problem. So it's waiting for an insert coin. Number 5 on the keyboard in there. Start button. I have no idea which buttons to press. Right, I don't want to make it too long a video, so I'll just escape out of that. It's difficult to do with a mobile phone in your hand, but it's all there in that folder, the main folder. Just drop that down a minute. Let me see, we've got alright, yeah, coinops.exe. That's a demo of the program, and these are the different games that you can play. Galaxy Force, Mad Gear, Outrun, which I was just playing, Power Drift, Racing Hero, Rave Racer, which is a pretty good one actually, is that Rave Racer. And we've got Road Blasters, Super Hang On, Super Sprint, Turbo Outrun, Buggy Boy. Right, so I'll escape that. And what else were I going to show you? This is my little project that I built, which
Let's go.
didn't want to go into where I wanted it to go, but
Now are you ready?
now are you
Let's
ready?
do it.
Cool out. Relax.
Alright,
Things like this work
it
out.
started.
Trust me. Trust me.
Right, so from here you should be able to go into sort of like Super Hang-On. And then if I press Boogie Boy,
Cool out. Relax. Things like this work out. Trust
but it's
me.
not working out.
Trust me.
It doesn't seem to want to play it because I've done something wrong in MAME. So I know that messing about with all these settings is causing the problem. So I'm going to escape that. Right, so I've come out of that. I think what I need to do is I need to go plug in a few things at the back of the machine. Alright, let's have a look. I've got a few things disconnected in here. Get rid of that. Plug in the controller. So as you can see under here, I've got a PC, a power supply and everything. There's an Arduino here which runs the force feedback on the wheel. I'm going to need to plug that in to there. That gives me this is a force feedback board. So that's got power now as the force feedback. I think that's set right. This is for the lights. I've just disconnected that bit there which turns the lights off. Yellow. Yep, that goes there. Right, which puts some lights on in the cabinet. I need to put that on permanent, which I'll do that a bit later. Leave it there, it's on. Right. Bit of a struggle this messing about, so you can see there's some extra lights on around there now, and the start and what they call it's come on. Now if I type in here joystick, right, STICK, set up USB. I need to select the set up USB game controllers, generate USB, properties. Now I'm showing you this bit because you'll be able to see as I turn the wheel here, we've got this Z rotation going on, and we've also got the force feedback running in at the moment. And if I move the gear stick, that's activating number 1 and number 2 for second gear. And the buttons, that's button 6, which I've marked on it, button 6. So I've actually got that bit working, and the Coinox menu, that's button 7. Marked it number 7, 1 and 2. And the coin reject, if I push that, I get number 3. So I need to map that to the coin input. And the accelerator is on the Z axis, and if I put it right down to the floor, the wheel shakes. And the brake, that should do some changes as well, but I'll have a look at that, why that that's not making any movement. Yeah, so that was just to show you that the Generate USB controller that I've got for it and fitted in the back is up and running as well. But trying to map all these things and getting all these settings right is a nightmare. So you'll have plenty of fun playing with it. Now, included in this, I've put I've installed Delphi, which, if I go to this little project here, I just run that anyway. It's using Ball and Delphi 6, and you saw my program out running earlier, and that's all designed in here. Right, so they're in Compart 1. No. These are all the images and everything that go within that program that I've designed. So if you know Delphi, you can have fun with that. Let me go back to the programs for this one are stored in this folder at the moment. So if I go into emulators, MAME, and then down to there and run that, I get this error, which I'm not too sure what it is at the moment, but once you get past that it will run into MAME, and I think that's what's stopping it from running in CoinOps. But what I wanted to show you was Rave Racer, which is a pretty good game. Rave Racer Revision 2. Oops. Don't know what I played there. Oh, Rave Racer. It's in test mode at the moment. And I don't know how to get out of it. And it's doing all these, just flicking her in about. It's not that. It's not the wheel. Ah, yeah, the wheel. Let's escape that. I think what I'm getting is I'm getting noises coming from the keyboards because it's not been set up right properly. But what I can do is I can show you this bit coming up here, which is the Arduino. This is the Arduino code to run the force feedback, and this talks to the Delphi program through this serial port, and if it receives the command 0, it uses this loop to rumble, and that rumbling that you saw is this code here, and these numbers here, high and low, will change the actual torque of the motor. So yeah, it's a bit sketchy, it's a bit problematic. If I click on that one there, it can be made to do things. It just needs more time spending on it. Thanks for watching. Bye.